lot in store for us. And if you listen to Ross' presentation and later if you listen to Joy, unti-unti na yung malalaman yung sinasabi natin noon. Abangan nyo lang. Kasi maraming opportunity na darating sa atin in the second half. Yes! Yeah. So congratulations all of you for staying on top of your game in quarter 2. And thank you very much, Dad, for helping us survive the first half of the year. I'd like to thank our marketing partners, our brand partners, and of course our Marco partners for always putting up a very good top score for us and giving us all these balance to help us sell. Palakpakan na natin sila. But indeed, life so fast. So, as I always say, past is past. We are almost halfway the second half of the year. And I think I'd say in the past 5 years, ito na yata yung pinakamahirap at pinaka-challenging second half na hirap natin. Tama ba? No? I don't mean to scare any one of us, diba? Pero sabi nga ni RPM, maganda yung future. But to survive the second half moving forward, it also means that we have to accept our challenges and have a common understanding of our situation. So, you know that there's a lot going on, diba? Sunod-sunod, a condition I would describe as an irony of sorts. First, we were having it great, and we're still having it great at Sky at broadband, outpacing the growth of the industry by 20%. So, the industry is growing only at 10%, but we are growing at an average of 30%. We don't know that. Wala kayang 42% pa lang ang tuloy niyan, parang ako sinabi mo. Nangyari yung sinabi mo natin. And surpassing our targets consistently monthly. But our new customers are not staying long now. We were seeing a recovery in terms of achieving targets for cable in the first 2 weeks of July, after a setback in the second quarter. Then, Typhoon Glenda, coupled with an untimely and unexpected pullout of one of our major installers, affected our network, seeing ourselves in the same situation as Q2. And just recently, hindi pa alam sa inyo, we had to suspend selling to 30 nodes, 30 big nodes until the end of November to just make sure that our customers would never experience a downtime anywhere in these nodes. For those of you who attended the Q1 SOTA, sabi nga ni RBM, it was a perfect storm. Diba? Ano pang bagyo ba? Hindi pa lumaga, diba? Tatlo yun. But just like many of you, I also started asking myself why. Bakit kailangan may pangyayari ito mga ito? And I'm sure a lot of you ask, may pa Facebook every night. Diba? Hindi na tayo nag-uusap. Ano na lang, diba? Wala gusto na tayo. Wala tayo nilitibig kaya. Because deep in our hearts, ang hirap. Hinahanap ko na lahat ng rason. Bakit may variance, magdodalawa musi at magdodalawa syempre. Sa sarili ko, including Phantom, of course, over the past 3 weeks, because I was preparing for my first board report. In short, the message was, wala kang magawa sa mga pangyayari. But every time I came home at night, hindi pa rin ako makatulog. Hindi ako matahimik, kahit hindi naman ako nagdidinig ng RTM. At alam ko, sabihan na ako ng CLK, naiintindihan naman yung pinagdadaan ng sales. Sa paulit-ulit kong tanong sa sarili ko, totoo naman, wala naman talaga akong magagawa eh. Kaya ko magpigilan si Neda. Diba? Ako ba ang hawak ng contractor? But I found myself asking another question. Was there anything I could have done extra in the past 6 months that would have made a different result, despite Glenda and the rollout of action plans. And the painful answer, the honest answer, was yes. So I asked myself 3 more questions. If I spent a little more extra time to convince every active sales agent to resolve at least one open SO, and believe me, in the last 2 weeks, I've never valued an SO as much as I do. If I just convince every active sales agent, there are 600 active right now for us already, to resolve at least one open SO that has been pending in his list and convert it to an install, how much more customers would they have served? Second, if I had just spent a little more time, extra time, convincing every active agent to knock on one more extra door, to get one more installed, whether you're at 90, 100, 600% of your target, how many customers could I have served? If I had spent a little more time convincing all sales leaders to spend time with the rest of the 30% of non-producing agents to get them to deliver at least one install per month, how much more customers would they have served? Diba? Parang magaling ba kayo? Ganun yung feeling RPM, marami na siyang signal. And if I sum up all these calculations, you know what number I had come up with? 8,000 new installs from Jan to June. Tell me what came. And that means we would have ended July cable installs with 107,000 new connects, resulting to 103% achievement of our YTD July budget, instead of 98,000. Which only allowed me to report 94% performance to the board. It would have made really a big difference. After going through this setback, nasagot ko talaga ang tanong ko, bakit kailangan na-experience natin itong ganitong malaking setback of all kinds na impact. It wasn't because hitting targets is not meant for us this year. It was because we were really being taught a very valuable lesson. It just had to come the hard way so that we may not forget. Number 1, never take any SO or any customer at that for granted, because an extra one a day, a week, a month can make a big difference. Go for the stretch every day, every week, every month. I encourage us to create the habit of going that extra mile. Every day, I start with an extra step. That also means we have to be mindful of the smallest detail about our process and most of all, our customers. Starting today, let's take that one more install per month, one more install per week, one more install per day. And together, let us again discover what wonders a pack of lazy boats is capable of, as we always did in the past. Let's go for that extra one to remain number 1. Konti na lang nila si signal. So my dear Sky Lazy Wolves, we all know that we are better than this, and bigger than our current situation. Just remember the stuff we as wolves are made of. Fast, fearless, ferocious, focus, forward. Let's fight, and make sure we win this race together. Maraming salamat and happy Valentine's.
Thank you, Rina. Kalahati na ang Jennifer Lee, kaya naman ipagpatuloy natin ang pag-book at pag-win. From your staff, your friends at 5 bundles, let's take a break.
Miss Bell.
Hey, I'm Princess.
Go! Are you guys ready to party?
Yeah!
One more time, I didn't hear you.
Are you guys ready to party?
DJ, hit it.
to start Puro Love Facebook Dado / Sassy Girls Official.
Yeah, and you can follow us on Instagram. It's sassy_girls_ph.
Yes, every follower na Once again, we are the Sassy Girls. My name is Sally.
My name is Patricia.
My name is Belle.
And hey, I'm Princess.
So, I'm inviting everyone na kumalakpak ko ng bago rito. Please welcome
Gusto nyo like bro?